can slay my own dragons. I can see. I don't know what's the song. My knight and shining armor. It's me. Agalila, who thought I could sing. Okay, hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for watching, and if you're not, thank you so much for coming back. I just wanted to get right into this tutorial because I've been slacking when it comes to like YouTube content or content in general because of school. But right now I'm on break and I'm ready to give you my all. So let's just get this started. So today's video is going to be very affordable, beginner friendly, very easy Christmas look or holiday glam look, or however you want to say it. It's gonna be a glam look you're most likely gonna like wear on the holidays. I'm basically cleaning up my eyebrows and priming my lids, which is something you've probably seen me do quite a lot, so it's not something new. That's a bit equal, yeah.
Somebody lied to her several times.
This is the BH Cosmetics ItsMyRayeRaye collab. They had, this is their second one. This is their 15 color palette and it's actually beautiful. So the first color I'm going to be using is Brick, and it's deadass like a brick-ish color. I think my lighting's a little too light for y'all to see, but that's the color I'm going to be using. So I'm going to be taking this Makeup Shack brush and I'm going to be applying this in my as my transition shade. Okay, then I'm going to be taking Flare and we're gonna just apply this in the crease right below our transition shade and just blending it, basically adding a type of gradient, some depth. I'm going in with another Makeup Shack brush. I lied, you need two brushes for this. And I'm just going in with the first color I used and blending that. It's kind of already blended. Like this is very, the colors like just blend so seamlessly. So it's probably really easy to use, which is why I recommend it. Especially if you're like a beginner. I think this is really a palette that you should be using. Damn, bitch, go drink some water. So I'm gonna take this another next color. This is my the deeper color cocoa. Not like, I don't know. It's just like a chocolate color, yeah. You could apply this as messily as you want, cause makeup's supposed to be fun. You feel me? But yeah, you're gonna be cutting the crease, so you know I don't really mind if it's gonna be on the lid because it's not gonna show up as long as you have that gradient with you. Now we're gonna be cutting the crease, and again, this is an easy beginner friendly tutorial, so I'm going back with affordable, going back with the Colourpop no filter concealer. And this is also a little hack for my beginners. I got you, yeah. So sometimes, you know, when you're cutting your crease and you gotta be like meticulous, you know, very careful, you gotta use those small brushes. I got you, okay? 9 times out of 10, okay, these concealers come with applicators, obviously, because how are you supposed to put on the concealer? Love, it makes sense, yeah? So today we're gonna be using the applicator to cut our crease. So I'm gonna put it over here. I don't know what the hell just came out of my mouth, but yeah. And I'm gonna look up and I'm gonna lay down. And it transferred. Obvi. So where it transferred is where we're gonna cut the crease. I need more concealer. So I'm just going to, this is really easy for me, so you know, but please take your time if this is something that you're doing for the first time, obviously. but I'm just going to use the applicator to basically cut my crease. And it's just that simple, love. Like, obviously practice makes perfect. See? Take your time. Boom, boom, bada boom, bing. What? Yeah, that's how easy it is. Just use the applicator. Like, it's there for a reason. Multi-purpose. Now you don't have to be buying all those small brushes. There you go. To my eye, and be taking that cacao chocolate color and blending the edges. So now I'm going to be where's my water? Now I'm going to be taking shining, 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 yeah, shining, yeah. Don't I have a beautiful scene, you guys? I'm gonna be taking Shining from the same palette, you guys. This whole eyeshadow look, one palette. That has range. We're going to be taking the Midas Cosmetics. Use my code BFTPOSTS for 15% off. We're going to be taking their loose pigment, the 24K diamond pigment. You're just going to press that into the eye. I keep on mentioning, like, or I keep on forgetting to mention, by the way, these products being affordable, and they really are. The I forgot to mention the Midas Cosmetics pigment. I believe they range from either like $3.99 to like $6.99, about that range. I can't be really too precise about it. Okay, I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. Expert liquid eyeliner and creating a wing. Now, I really changed the shape of my wing lately because I was like, oh, this really complements my eye shape and makes me feel like cute. Makes you feel like those TikTok girls who are just so effortlessly beautiful. Like, let me be you. Anyways, I'm going to, you're just gonna have to watch me because the way I explain shit, like, sometimes y'all don't even tell me, like, I said outer, inner, corner instead of, like, the correct thing. So y'all just want me to fail. Anyways, I'm going to go up close and show y'all what I'm doing. Okay. Can y'all see that? Okay. That's it. That's my wing. Yeah. Pretty easy. Okay, guys. It kind of looks like, ooh, damn, my backdrop almost exposed me. It kind of looks like I'm separating them around my mouth, but that's actually my mustache. So I'm going to be applying highlighter. This is not the brush I used to highlight. I'm going to be using highlighter. I'm going to be taking the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder in the crown of my canopy. This is by far, I think, one of the best drugstore drugstore highlighters. I forgot to add the Midas Cosmetics pigment on my nose because again, I don't know how to contour, so I kind of like to use the pigment because it kind of emphasizes like that one specific feature, like the light just hits on that specific part, and then it kind of makes you feel like my nose is slimmer because of that. Like, ooh, fake rhinoplasty, here we come. So how are you feeling about this easy, affordable? This took quite some time, only because of the making it affordable, because I really want to advocate for, like, I'm gonna be honest, when I first started this makeup journey, I wasn't buying like high brand stuff because I couldn't afford it. I still can't afford it, to be honest. But I really hope I helped give you some tricks that you could probably use, maybe some products you'd like to try. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Comment your favorite part, or like, oh yeah, let me know your favorite drugstore product. Let me know that. Comment your favorite drugstore product. I would like to know. That'd be interesting. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in my next video.